So today if you love tawge, you'd be happy to know that there's no need to buy it from the grocery all the time. Here's how to grow your own tawge at home. You will need a plant pot. Plastic or clay will do, preferably not less than 8 inches deep, and make sure that there are drainage holes. Some garden soil mix. Mine is a mixture of soil, compost, and some rice hull to keep it loose and suitable for baby roots to grow. Dried and mature mung beans. For faster growing, you may pre-soak it in water for 30 minutes, but that is optional. Watering can and a solid cover for your pot to keep the light out. This will ensure long and tender sprouts. First step is to put 1 to 2 inches of garden soil at the bottom of the pot. Then, spread the mung beans all over, making sure that they are scattered evenly. Next, sprinkle garden soil on top, just enough to cover the beans. You have to make sure not to put too much, otherwise it will get in the way of the sprouts from growing straight up. Once all of the beans are covered, that's all good to go. Water evenly until you see the water sip through the drainage of your pot. Everything should be wet, because this is the one and only time in the whole process that you will be watering your beans. You might see some beans popping out of the soil, but that's okay. You can adjust them a little bit, make sure that they're covered, but even if they're not, that would still be fine. So this is my indicator that I've watered it enough. Lastly, cover the pot and place it in a shaded to partly lit area. I prefer mine outside for faster growing, but not in direct sunlight or under the rain because I'm using a cardboard cover right now. The best time to check if your sprouts are ready is 3 to 5 days after planting. Fight the urge to peep in every day so you don't disturb them before it's time. I woke up today with the realization that I think I might have messed something up because 5 days ago I put some mung beans into a sprouting box to create a homemade tawge, and that box is this one, a regular plant pot like this one, like these ones that I've been using, and now it's been 5 days and I haven't checked it since that day. I don't know what's going on inside anymore, and now I think it's time to check it out, which I should have done days ago. I really don't know what to expect, so let's check it out. Oh my god, there are already leaves in most of them. Honestly, with these ones that are already turning green, I don't know if I can still cook them. But for the other ones, I think they're still okay. So I'm going to harvest this today and make a breakfast of homemade tawge. And here it is. So, ito yung soil and yung roots ng tawge. I will make this a compost para sa next batch ko ng tawge. And here's what I harvested. Ta-da! Ang dami, diba? I think this is more than enough for sa aming dalawa for today's breakfast. So, I'm going to wash the dirt off. Maybe a little bit more trimming on the roots para mas malinis siya. This technique, I actually learned from a famous Chinese vlogger. They call her Lazy Chi, if I pronounce it correctly. She's a Chinese vlogger na nagbi-video ng everyday life niya, and it pictures simple life outside of the city. I got this technique from her. Before I discovered that video, ang ginagawa ko pag sa tawge is use a very shallow pan and then put cloth at the bottom, make sure the cloth is fairly wet, spread the mung beans, covered it again with another wet cloth. The problem with that technique is yung pagtubo ng tawge is flat. Kumpul-kumpul sila, buhol-buhol. By the time you harvest it, hindi siya ganito na straight. Hindi uniform nasaan yung roots and kung nasaan yung dito na area. Ang hirap niyang linisin, ang tagal matapos kasi kailangan mong isa-isahin hanapin yung mga roots niya. Dito naman sa taas na area, maraming instances na yung shell ng seed hindi pa natatanggal kasi nga they are compressed inside the 2 layers of cloth. So, hindi nila napupush ng maigi yung shell ng I think I have something here. Ito, hindi nila ito natatanggal ng maayos. Kaya kailangan mong tanggalin yan manually. This one is a much better and faster way and much more effective. So I'm going to make more of these. Hopefully, pag nakalipat kami ng bahay and we have our own refrigerator, I'm going to make a lot of these and sell it to my neighbors. O, diba? Extra income din. Let's see later kapag naluto ko na ito. I'll show you how it goes. That's it. If you try this at home, let me know how it goes in the comment section. And if you have better ideas on how to do this, we'd love to know about it. So don't hesitate to share.